Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you are a new subscriber, hello, my name is Shule and I love sharing decors, shopping, cooking, home tours as well as paint with me videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love you to join to my growing YouTube family. And let's get started in today's video. I decorated my landing recently and I did several styles for you to choose from, and I will keep the winning style throughout this month. So please comment below and tell me your favorite style. And let's begin. I have this IKEA cabinet as it's only 20 cm deep and is perfect for my small landing. The lamp is from TK Maxx that I bought years ago and is something that I will be keeping for all the styles. I used this attractive black and white box from HomeSense along with the tall vase from Dunelm, and the glittery leaf is from Poundland that I bought last Christmas. I love using reed diffusers, so I will be using it as well for welcome and scent, and currently I'm using Linen Fresh from Dunelm. And lastly, I added this IKEA candle holder to balance the colors, so both sides has little bit pink in it. For the second style, I will be doing rustic glam look. I bought this planter from Lidl years ago and it had succulent plants in, but sadly they died over the years, and I'm now using it as a vase to house my ever-growing floral arrangements. It has jute handle and looks very rustic, and I grouped it with more greenery to support the style. And of course I added my reed diffuser in this beautiful purple Mercury glass bottle from Dunelm. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I don't usually do rustic decor, but because of this vase I felt I had to do it, so I'm really curious what you think. Did I pull it off? Do you like it? Okay, if you think it was rustic but not glam enough, I replaced the greenery with glittery LED candle or artificial candle. Is it a LED candle? I don't know, I don't remember. If you like the idea of candle but you thought it was too glam for this area, I now replaced it with this candle that I DIY'd during fall. So the color is perfect. What do you think? Is it better than the glittery LED candle? I hope you enjoyed watching this Decorate With Me video and found it inspirational. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. And until next time, bye bye.